I gotta get some shots of this situation though. This is just diabolical. There's no eaves truss on this whole building. Like just this section here's 100 feet. And then there's another 100 down there, but it doesn't leak into the basement over there, just over here. So we were gonna like dig down and waterproof the wall and then put a pipe in and trench it all the way to the storm drain way down there. But then he decided that he just wants tarps buried in the ground right here. So I'm not gonna argue, right? But you know, there's 11 ways to skin a cat, I think, or something. I think they say there's always 11 ways to skin a cat. Well, the day's not going as expected. I mean, I had the booster box in the truck, but it had the air thing on it, not the charger. So I mean, it wouldn't have done us any good anyway. But you know, a guy should have that when you know he's got them. But the battery's dead. It's not dead, but it won't start. So. Yeah, we're just standing here. We're having break early. It's 4:20. Whoa, startled me. The icicle's falling off, almost got felon. But yeah, I'm pretty sure like the water is slowing down terrible, right? There's a frosty morn, so but yeah, what a kick in the head. I just like we didn't have any problem starting it all winter. I started it in the middle of the winter, started right up. Started it friggin' just last night to load it up on the trailer. And then get to the job site, no start. Wasn't that special. So, yeah, we're just running darts right now. We just had a look-see. It looks like it's just some gravel, some crushed aggregate, if you will. Not too bad. But looks like they've tried a few things. They didn't try eaves troughs, though, it doesn't look like. They didn't try eaves troughs, but they tried just putting some poop on the crushed aggregate, and you know, I mean, parts of it probably worked, but as soon as it gets, you know, like a crack in it, I mean, water's going to go through the cracks, right? That's what happens. What happened? Oh no! Oh, let me get in on that.
You didn't hear that one?
No, I was over here saying stuff, and it blocked out the echolocations or something, you know what I mean? But yeah, so I guess we're just digging down. We're tucking the tarp underneath the guy, and we're burying the tarp out to our line. Look at that line. That's a good line right there, boys. It's a freaking good line.
Just freehand too.
Yeah, just freehanded that.
No string.
Yeah, I just eyeballed her. We're about 6 feet, eh? We're about 6 feet, but yeah, slow start today, boys. I mean, you know, it was a slow start to begin with because it was just freezing cold in the morning. It's like no sense in friggin' getting all rambunctious when it's friggin' minus 11 out and shit. So it's supposed to warm up a bit, but I don't think it's warm enough to start the tractor. So that's wholesome. Not even sure what that's about. The tractor wants to not start at the bottom of the hill. I mean, I really like it. It's friggin' awesome. I don't have anything bad to say about it, other than no start at the bottom of the hill and now no start first job of the year. Come on! What's going on? You know what I mean? Like, I don't want to get a new one because the new one's just going to bust every other day. You know what I mean? Hard on the equipment. The old one's way to go, I think, anyway. But maybe I need a new battery, but that's my good battery. You know what I mean? Speaking of batteries, Crawdad's mad at me. He tried to take one of my batteries, and I give him a stern talk. And I mean, I was just joking. I mean, I was just teasing him. Now he's mad at me. He's got a blister right around the opening where he shoves his tampon. Hey, it's like all blistered right around the entrance.
It's called hemorrhoids.
So yeah, stand by, boys. We're gonna wait, see what happens here. It'll be great. Well, we had a special Vidomon delivery, so. Fire's right up, boys. Oh, take a cigarette, boys. Well, this is turning out to be full of chunks, so that's good. That's gonna be good for raking. Hey, here, let me show you a good raking chunk here. This piece here, this crushed aggregate, this is good for raking. You need to like rake it out. That's the good size. You know, it's like 24-inch plus. Hey, we call it 24-inch plus. Sorry about that. But yeah, that's gonna kind of produce our shell here. Check these out too. I'll put a link in the prescription. POC link. They're like freaking ambidexternized friggin' what's it's there. That's what we're using to communicate today, boys.
PokeLink Radio is now connected. PokeLink Radio is now connected.
Breaker 19. Nice. Breaker 19. Dick's on the internet.
Can you hear me?
Hey. Oh, hey, Dick's on the internet. Can you hear me real bad? I gotta learn how to relax in the driver's seat because my neck is so tense and my back's like a question mark. And now my neck is decked after just that much. So, hope you're happy about that. But, to smooth her out a little bit, do a little rake-a-peony, and yeah, get her all flat and copacetic, and then stovepipe your grandma. Or Steve's your uncle, sorry. Well, we're done with the digger today, and the next job is 9 minutes away from here, so we're gonna take the tractor, drop it off, we'll switch trailers, put the little tractor on the dump trailer, and then bring it, and then I can't remember the rest, but we'll pack this down, and then I'll try.
Bring all this stuff over there?
Sure.
Okay.
It'll be awesome, you guys. another rake and another pass, but that's pretty freaking good. Oh, looks like he's got real links. They're right on us. Look, I wonder if he used my code to get a sweet deal on real links, boys. Eh? Friggin' rights he's got real links. Oh, he is just son of a bitch recruiting us. Terrible. We're probably gonna end up on the internet. Eh? Oh dear. I'm trying. Let me turn around. Holy cow. You guys, real links. Yeah. On POC radios. Oh, we're all about the links here in Inwood, boys.
Really?
Oh, hopefully nobody calls Crappy Tire. We're like saving gas and time, big time, dropping the tractor off at the next job before we're even done the first job. Don't call Crappy Tire, you guys. Oh no. Well, I don't even know where you guys have been, but you're late. You're late. You missed me almost popping my nut too, so I hope you're happy about that. Let me explain. I had the platform out and I was standing on it, and then I lurched the machine, but I was leaning against here, so my ball was on top of that. So then when it fucked me off, I like fell off the machine, but my ball was on top of this, and I mean, it almost popped my nut. I'm not gonna lie. I had to check my shit because it stunk. I can tell you that right now. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Ouch.
Yeah. Wait, how quickly you jumped off of that, ran over to check your ball.
Yeah.
Was
Still feel it. Not good. I don't recommend that. This thing, no good. Almost cost me a ball. So, not cool, but yeah, boys, we did move some dirt, put a tarp under the dirt, put the dirt back. Problem is, this dirt's got all type of the chunk into it, boys. This is no fun. You know, that's why you guys are late, because no sense in watching me swear and carry on and break my nut, you know what I mean? For fuck's sakes. But yeah, it's not like a big skid steer where you're riding into it and you don't pop your nut off, you know? Holy shit. I mean, I don't need it for nothing, but still, it's, you know what I mean? It's nice to have. It's nice to have one, you know what I mean? Yeah, still a bit to go. I mean, it's still early in the day too, right? So not too bad. But I guess I'll set you up here and we'll show you the situation. I mean, holy shit, boys! I almost popped my nut. Did you hear me? And it's windy as fuck today too. We were just wrestling with these tarps. Oh, you missed it. Buddy's got reel link cameras, though. I should see if he can hook us up with the shots of me popping my nut. Kind of customer you want to do, well, all your customers, you want to do the best job you can, but especially the richest frig ones. Hey, sorry about that. Sorry about that. Well, there she is, boys. Tell me what you stink, eh? Look at... Nice. Holy shit, you guys. Holy crap. You know what I mean?